Hello guys, so moving on. So I installed these two Z-axis drawer slides on my Y-axis, so they go in and out like this. And for my belts, this is my pulley mechanism, so I use a M8 bolt and a nut and slide my bearing inside it. This side is a bearing and on the other side is going to be my stepper motor. So as you could see, you can tell how it's gonna work. To hold this bolt and nut in place and bearing, I'm gonna use this glue gun. As you could see, this motor is a little bit loose, so I'm also gonna use a little bit of glue gun. So for my x-axis, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have this belt loop over on my stepper motor, and the other edge is attached to the bearing, and then I'm gonna have this wooden piece, and I will attach one end of the belt loop, and I'll attach it to this wooden piece. This wooden piece will be permanently attached to the workspace that will be moving in and out, or will work as my x-axis. So I cut some holes into the piece that I'm going to use here, as you can see, and I'm gonna stick it to the surface using glue. Otherwise, so as you could see, my workspace is already attached to the stepper motor, and as I pull this in and out, my stepper motor also moves. So I used to have this Dremel tool, 6-volt Dremel tool. It wasn't powerful enough to use as a spindle. So what I did, I took this collet and chuck out of this Dremel tool, and then I took this 18 volt DC motor out of a unused drill. So then somehow I connected both of these items using a 3D printed shaft coupler, because I couldn't couple these two things together without having to use a custom shaft coupler. Now I'm gonna do is I'm going to connect collar and chuck and this motor and these two acrylic pieces will help me to keep both of the things in place. So let's see how it goes. So this is my Z-axis, simplest